In today's video, I'll show you how to translate text with Notion AI. To get started, we're looking at the default Welcome to Notion landing page. To navigate to the document you want to translate, look over at the left-hand side navigation panel. Under the Private drop-down list, move your cursor down and click directly on the page titled Translation. Once clicked, the page immediately opens to reveal a document written entirely in Japanese text. If you want to translate this entire page quickly without altering your original document layout, Notion features a fantastic built-in tool. Move your cursor up to the top right-hand corner of the window and click on the three dots, Options menu icon. This opens up a comprehensive drop-down menu for your page settings. Scroll down through these options until you find the Artificial Intelligence section and click on Translate, which features an AI sparkle graphic alongside an X symbol. A secondary submenu will slide out automatically to the left. The tool automatically detects the source language as Japanese. Right below that, click inside the Search Languages, Input text box, and type in English. The list will filter down instantly. Click directly on English from the options list. The moment you click it, Notion AI processes the content and translates the entire page into English. You will notice a blue notification banner appears across the top of the interface stating AI translated to English. This overlay view allows you to preview the translation without permanently overwriting your source material. If you want to view the document in a different language, you can switch it on the fly. Simply click on the word English inside that blue top banner to open the language drop-down menu again. Scroll down through the available list, locate French, and click on it. The page text instantly updates into a French translation. Let's try one more language to see how versatile this feature is. Click on the language name in the blue banner once more, scroll down the options list, and select Korean. The document immediately updates into Korean text. Once you are finished reviewing these different translations, move your cursor over to the right side of the blue banner and click the X button to close the overlay and return the page to its original Japanese state. If you want to keep both the original text and the translation on the page simultaneously, you can use the interactive AI chat assistant. Click and drag your mouse across the entire text block to highlight all the Japanese content. Once the text is highlighted, a context menu will appear. Click on Ask AI or press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+J. This action immediately opens the new AI Chat Assistant sidebar panel on the right side of your screen. Move down to the text input field at the bottom of this panel that reads Do Anything with AI. Click inside it and type your prompt. Translate it in English. Then, click the blue send arrow button on the right or hit Enter. The sidebar will display a quick processing message, and then the assistant will output a clean English translation within the chat window. To add this directly to your page, hover over the generated response block and click the Insert into this page plus icon at the bottom left of the block. The translated English text is immediately appended to your main document page, right under the original Japanese block. This leaves you with an organized bilingual document ready for your team. And that's it. That's how you translate text with Notion AI.